Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into the world of sales forecasting with Monday.com, your trusty project management tool. First up, you're going to want to create a new board. Now this is where you'll house all your sales data. Think of this as your command center, where you'll be able to oversee everything at a glance. Once your board is up and running, you'll want to add columns for various data points, like monthly sales, yearly sales, product, and region. Why do we do this? Well, these columns will help you track and analyze your sales performance, which is crucial in any forecasting model. Now that we've got our columns, it's time to feed in your sales data. This step is absolutely essential because without accurate data, your forecasting model won't be reliable. Next up, we're going to set up a formula column, and this, folks, is where the magic happens. You'll set up a formula to calculate your future sales based on past data. This helps us because it allows us to make educated guesses on future sales trends. Once you've got your formula set up, it's time to create a chart view to visualize your forecast. The reason we do this is because charts make it easier to understand and present your findings to others. Let me explain why this matters. With your sales forecast visually represented, you can easily spot trends, anticipate demand, and make strategic decisions for the future, all from your Monday.com dashboard. And there you have it. You've just created a sales forecasting model in Monday.com. Remember, the accuracy of your forecast depends on the quality of your data and the appropriateness of your formula. So, keep refining and experimenting to make it more precise. That's it for today's tutorial. Now you're ready to take your sales forecasting to the next level. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.